What's up, Banana?
I'm here too. I'm here too, and we're back in just some Doki Doki. I just took over your intro. How do you feel about that?
Really bad.
Monica smiles sweetly. So, Monica smiled sweetly. We do know each other. Well, we rarely talked, but we were in the same class last year. Monica was probably the most popular girl in the class. Smart, beautiful, athletic. Basically completely out of my league. Unless she watches anime. I mean, between you and me, man, between you and me, she watches anime. That's yeah. But she doesn't watch anime, right? That's a deal breaker.
Pretty sure she doesn't. Monica's basically a glitch.
That's a deal breaker.
Natsuki does though.
So we're going with her. So having her smile at me so gently feels a little. You too, Monica. So I'ma play while she goes and does something.
Bye. Be right back.
You just punched your computer.
Sorry.
Okay. Come on, sit down, Big Daddy. We made room for you at the table so you could sit next to me and Monica. I'll get the cupcakes. Hey, I ain't made them. I'll get them. Sorry, I got a little too excited. Then how about I make some tea as well? The girls have a few desks arranged to form a table. As I mentioned, it's been witted that so there is one space next to Monica and one next to Sayori. Natsuki and Yuri walk over to the corner of the room where Natsuki grabs a wrapped tray and Yuri opens the closet. Still feeling awkward, I take a seat next to Sayori. Natsuki proudly marches back up to the table, tray in hand. Okay, are you ready? Ta-da! Whoa! Ooh! Yeah. Natsuki lifts the foil off the tray to reveal a dozen white fluffy cupcakes decorated to look like little cats. The whiskers are drawn with icing and little pieces of chocolate were used to make ears. So cute! I had no idea you were good at baking, Natsuki. Well, you know. Just hurry up and take one. Nope, stop. Stop, no, stop. I'll be back to the place we were. Okay, so we're back. That was a little, we're gonna call it a accidental skip issue because the game was freaking. So Sayori grabs one first, then Monica and I follow. It's delicious. Sayori talks with her mouth full and has already managed to get icing on her face. I turn the cupcake around my fingers, looking for the best angle to take a bite. Natsuki is quiet. You better eat my cupcake. I put poison in it. Or at least some things that'll knock him out. I can't help but notice her sneaking glances in my direction. Is she waiting for me to take a bite?
Why are you talking like that?
When did you get back?
It's a Jimmy Choo.
A Jimmy Choo?
I have my ways.
Oh my god, as soon as she said that, Natsuki, he goes, I finally bite down. Yeah, Jimmy Choo, that bite down. The icing is sweet and full of flavor. I wonder if she made this herself. This is really good. Really good. Thank you, Natsuki. What? It's not like I was stinking in my eyes. It's not like I I heard this somewhere before? Oh, you know what that was referring to? You know the song "It's Not Like I Like You"? That's what he was referring to. Made them feel anything. I thought you technically realized that was me. I thought you technically did make them say or you said, well, maybe. But not for you, you know, you dummy. Alright. I give up on Natsuki's weird launch game to miss the conversation. Guru returns to the table carrying a tea set. I don't know what's going on. I think it's skipping again. Bro, it's like it's skipping again, bro.
My computer has a glitch right now.
Yeah.
Because apparently Superdolphin is clicking the mouse too hard.
No. Freaking, my new dinosaur's gonna, like, eat you.
Dinosaurs went extinct.
Yeah. That would be the video. Get out of here, Fred. You stay down there in that pocket. Weren't you leader of the bike club last year? Well, you know. To be honest, I can't stand all the politics of the major clubs. Okay, no, I accidentally clicked skip. No, stop it. Everyone enthusiastically agrees. Such different girls, all interested in the same goal. Monica must have worked really hard to find these two. Let's just ignore the fact that instead of worked, I said worried. Hey, remember something? Quadzilla. Maybe that's why they were all so delighted by the idea of the new member joining.
Quadzilla.
Shut up. No, I still don't know if I can keep up with their level of enthusiasm or about literature. So, Big Daddy, what kind of things do you like to read? Well,
nothing. Manga. He's
Totally.
gonna say manga. I bet he's gonna say manga.
Totally not the PORN.
No, he's gonna say manga.
Manga.
Manga then. He's gonna say manga.
I think the funny thing is I read manga in real life.
Really?
Yeah.
I bet he's gonna say manga though. Hey!
You've been through this. I have.
No, I just got the game like a...
I'm not quietly to myself, half joking. Natsuki's head suddenly perks up. It looks like she wants to say something, but she keeps quiet. Not much of a reader, I guess. Well, that can change. What am I saying? I'm saying she don't shut her mouth on the popper. You don't mess with Big Daddy.
I still can't get over that name.
Okay. Anyway, what about you, Yuri? Whoops, it's... Bro, it's slipping. Someone help. Oh, thank God, bro. It slipped. I'm oblivious to the situation that just happened right now, but all I know is, isn't that right, Big Daddy? Monica smiles warmly at me once again. Hold on, there's still one problem.
I like how they all drop.
What is that? What is that? Now that we're back on the original topic of me joining the club, I will bluntly come voice what's been on my mind the entire time. I never said I would join this club, so you may have convinced me to stop me for a cupcake. I still have a club to look at, and I lose my train of thought. All of these girls stare back at me with dejected eyes. But I'm sorry, I thought. Big Daddy, come on, you must join our club. you all, I'm defenseless against these girls. All of them are staring, this turned into fan fiction. All of them are staring at me with the fire in their eyes that they want me badly.
Really?
Kinda. How am I supposed to make a clear-headed decision when it's like this? How about this? We're gonna end the video right now. See you guys later. You say something before they leave.
Goodbye, Banana Squad. That's all I have to say.
Hashtag go subscribe to superdolphin remastered, not her channel. Make sure you give me some clout. I'll see you guys later.